According to sources, these are 6 top Excel skills, and I'll tell you why. 1. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP allows you to retrieve information to the right in a table using a value to the left. 2. Index match. Index match can be used to find information in any direction within a table. 3. If. If performs one action if a condition is met, but another action if that condition is not met. 4. Conditional formatting. This feature allows you to highlight data based on conditions and meaningfully visualize data. 5. Pivot tables. Pivot tables allow you to summarize large volumes of data and quickly identify key insights in the data. 6. Macros. Macros allow you to record a series of actions and then execute all of those actions in just one click. I teach all of this and more in my Microsoft Excel Rookie to Confident crash course. Read the caption or click the button below to learn more.